Let's learn H alphabet animals' name and their uses. H. H is for horse. Horses help in transport, farming, and riding. H is for hen. Hens give eggs and meat. H is for hippo or hippopotamus. Hippos help maintain river ecosystems. H is for hyena. Hyenas clean the environment by eating dead animals. H is for hare. Hares help improve soil through digging. H is for hawk. Hawks control rats and other small pets. H is for hamster. Hamsters are friendly pets and help people learn animal care. H is for hamster. Hamsters are friendly pets and teach animal care. H is for heron. Herons help control fish and insects populations. H is for honey bee. Honey bees pollinate flowers and make honey.
Please subscribe my channel